Maharaj said Vidur to his brother, I beg you to be warned. You have Duryodhan, but you know well in your heart that his wickedness and greed ate the curse of your race. Be wise in time. Give up this jackal of evil omen and win the support of the Pandavas, those tigers of men who will defend the house of Bharat against all its foes. Do you wish to die that you so provoke their anger? Now, Vidur, who is their uncle, जो कौरव और पांडव हैं, Vidur is their uncle, and he once again he is trying to persuade Dhritarashtra to convince him that he should stop this game. And he says that I beg you to be warned. I am warning you that I know that you love Duryodhan, but you know very well that he is doing wrong. Right? He is doing this wrong thing, and it will only earn you the curse. Right? You are earning their anger, you are earning Pandava's anger and curse, and because you are cheating them, you know very well that these are the sons of Bharat, and they are very strong people. They are tigers of men. They are like tigers, and when they come to take revenge, they will not leave anything. So, do you wish to die that you so provoke their anger? Provoke means किसी चीज़ को उकसाना, कि तुम अगर उनको पांडवों को अगर आप तुम इतना उकसाओगे आप लोग, तो वो ज़रूर अपना रिवेंज लेंगे. एंड व्हेन दे कम टू टेक रिवेंज, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू लीव एनीथिंग. मतलब दे विल ruin you all. So you are earning their anger and you are earning the curse. So I really warn you that you should stop doing this immediately. This is absolute cheating. The blind king sat silent. Jackal of evil omen. It means jackal means a siar. It's an animal. It's a phrase you can say कि तुम जो है बुरे जो श्राप है उसको तुम इनवाइट कर रहे हो, तुम उनका कर्स इनवाइट कर रहे हो ये सब कुछ करके. So the blind old king sat silent, his face hidden in his hands. Vidur turned to the gamblers. Hear me, princes of the house of Bharat. This match is bringing ruin to some and hatred to all. Duryodhan, you are leading your father and brothers to disaster. Who will save you when the sons of Pandu seize their weapons to take their revenge for their wrongs? Maharaja, it is plain to all that Shakuni cheats Yudhishthir. Order him to stop this dangerous game. So, अब जो किंग है वो अपने जो धृतराष्ट्र है वो अपने फेस पे हाथ रख के बैठा हुआ है, उसका फेस छुपा हुआ है. सो विदुर फिर से जो ये गेम खेल रहे हैं उनकी ओर मुड़ता है. वो जो दुर्योधन है वो उसको रिक्वेस्ट करता है दैट आई रिक्वेस्ट बोथ द पार्टीज, दैट बोथ द प्रिंस पार्टीज ऑफ द प्रिंसेस ऑफ हाउस ऑफ भारत, जो भारत डायनेस्टी के प्रिंसेस हो आप दोनों लोग, कौरव और पांडव, मैं आप दोनों को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ दैट यू शुड स्टॉप प्लेइंग दिस गेम बिकॉज इट इज़ ब्रिंगिंग रूइन. ये कुछ लोगों को बर्बाद कर रही है और सब लोगों के दिलों में नफरत पैदा कर रही है. सो यू शुड स्टॉप प्लेइंग दिस गेम बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़, बिकॉज शकुनी इज़ चीटिंग एंड and if Yudhishthir and his men and his brothers, they come to take revenge of their wrongs, they will not leave anyone. So in due course it will bring a lot of disaster and ruin to the entire dynasty. So I request, I beseech you both the parties to stop playing this game. Still Dhritarashtra sat silent, but Duryodhan retorted angrily, Uncle, we know that you always favor the Pandavas. In sheltering you, we have nourished a serpent. We have housed you and befriended you, yet you turn against us. You actually advised my father to destroy his own son. Begone, you have gone too far in your abuse. So अभी भी धृतराष्ट्र जो है, he is not saying anything, he is sitting silently. बट जो दुर्योधन है वो अपने अंकल को कहता है कि तुमने हमेशा यू हैव ऑलवेज फेवर्ड पांडवाज, वी ऑल न्यू दैट यू ऑलवेज लव्ड पांडवाज मोर देन अस. सो तुमको पालकर हमने एक सांप को पालने के जैसा काम किया है. वी हैव नरिश्ड सर्पेंट. सो यू are advising my father to destroy his own son. Be gone. This is too much. Vidur turned away from him and spoke to Dhritarashtra once more. Brother and king, he said, you have heard your son insult me and you do not rebuke him. I wish you and your sons well. अब विदुर फिर से धृतराष्ट्र को एक बार और कन्विंस करने की, उसको एक बार और उसको शेक करने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि वो जिस नींद में सो रहा है, शुड बी शेकन फ्रॉम स्लीप. But Dhritarashtra is not saying anything again. So he says that your sons are insulting me in front of you, but you're not saying anything. Still, I wish you and your sons well. I wish your well-being. A king's truest friend is he who tells the unwelcome truth fearlessly. Humiliation is a better medicine, but the honest man drinks it and keeps his head clear. You are drunk with pride and greed. Beware. So he says कि एक राजा का जो सच्चा दोस्त होता है ना, वो उसको सच बिना किसी डर के बता देता है. That what is truth. So humiliation जो है, since your sons are humiliating me right now, but I am honest, so I'm going to drink this humiliation. I am not going to say, I cannot say anything. मैं सिर्फ बर्दाश्त कर सकता हूँ इस चीज़ को. But you are right now, you are drunk with pride and greed. तुम घमंड में और लालच में ब्लाइंड हो चुके हो, इसलिए I can only caution you, I can only beware you. Shakuni and his friend received this speech with shouts of anger, while friends of the Pandavas applauded. The Pandavas themselves sat silent, and after Vidur had left the hall, no one spoke for a moment. Then Duryodhana said mockingly, perhaps, King Yudhishthir, you fear now to play with those who are called cheats and jackals. Perhaps you would prefer to go with your friend. So Shakuni और उसके जो friends थे, they all became very angry at this, and और जो पांडवों के साइड पे जो लोग थे, they applauded, they welcomed this Vidur's speech. अब पांडव जो थे वो फिर से चुपचाप बैठे हुए थे, और दुर्योधन नाउ अगेन उनका मजाक उड़ाते हुए मॉकिंगली बोलता है कि शायद अब तुम खेलना नहीं चाहोगे क्योंकि हम लोग चीट्स हैं, जैकल्स हैं, तो व्हाई वुड यू लाइक टू प्ले विद अस. तुम शायद अब यहाँ से जाना चाहोगे.